Let's meet another Seguin, Texas local, Gabriella, a junior nursing major with a passion for playing music. As the first person in her family to attend college, she represents more than 50% of Bulldogs who are also first-generation students. Tell us your story, Gabriella.
Thanks, Alex. Hey everyone, and welcome to TOU. As a first-generation student and native of Seguin, Texas, I thought I wanted to go away for college, but I knew that TOU's nursing students get jobs before they even graduate. So I knew that staying in my hometown and attending TOU was the best decision for my future. The on-campus nursing labs have really enhanced my academic experience, especially the live simulation mannequins that recreate treating patients in hospital settings. The lab equipment that we get to use is exact same as what healthcare professionals use in clinical settings. I've also been able to study abroad at TOU. I studied in Harlexton, England, and visited the famed Florence Nightingale Museum, learning about the founder of modern nursing. Getting to play in the TOU orchestra is a cherry on top of my student experience. Even though I've never been in an orchestra before, the TOU program director and my fellow students have been so helpful. These are the kinds of opportunities that are available to students here. You really can do it all here at TOU. Being a first-generation student can feel very overwhelming at times, but knowing that TOU has specific programming for students like me means so much. Over 50% of Bulldogs are considered first-generation students, but there are plenty of programs, events, and opportunities to address any challenges we may face. At these events, I meet other first-gen students to exchange stories with. There's also a great network of success stories to show just how much we've accomplished. I'm super excited to begin my career after graduation. I've already accepted a position in the Pediatric Intermediate Care Unit at a local children's hospital. I'm super thankful and forever grateful to TOU and all the opportunities I've had here as a student. Go Bulldogs! Throwing it back to you, Alex.
Thank you so much for sharing your story, Gabriella. Being able to major in nursing and play in the TLU orchestra while also having the chance to study abroad in England are all possible at TLU. Thank you for showing us how students can truly do it all right here at TLU.